Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Bullet journal setup. Step 1. Cover page. You can really skip this step, but I find it very useful. Step 2. Key. Your key is the place where you write down the symbols you'll be using for rapid logging. Step 3. Index. Step 4. Future log. Step 5. Monthly log. Step 6. Weekly spread.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Later on, you may want to use markers, highlighters, and stickers too if you like, but all you really need is a notebook and pen. Then, you'll lay out the first pages, index pages, the future log, the monthly log, and the daily log. And that's all you need for a complete, functional bullet journal. Let's get started.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
How to start a bullet journal. 5 simple steps. Step 1. Buy your journal supplies. An obvious place to start with bullet journaling is of course to choose your journal and writing utensils. Step 2. Choose the collections to include. Step 3. Create an index. Step 4. Decide on your signifiers keys.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The bullet journal is an analog system created by Ryder Carroll, a designer based in New York. In his words, the bullet journal is meant to help you track the past, organize the present, and plan for the future. It's an amazing system that keeps a record of everything you could ever want to toss at it.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
When it comes to bullet journaling, there is no specific time or date to start. You can start a bullet journal in the middle of the year, middle of the month, or even middle of the week. Since you are starting with a blank notebook, it doesn't matter when you start a bullet journal.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.